Hi guys, it's Down Under Monkey, and today I'm going to try and pick this Schlage lock. I'm not sure on the pronunciation, but that's what I'm calling it. I got this the other day from my mate, and I figured why not have a pick and try and get that nice noise. It's that cool. And there's the bitting on the key. It's not hopeless, but it's not really that good either. I mean, not much variation. Anyway, let's give it a go. Get it in here. And grab a tension. And that pick should fit straight up the guts. Just like an American lock. I think this is 19 thousandths, so it fits nice straight up the guts of the lock, and you don't seem to snag up on any warding. So let's give this a pick, see what's going on in there. There's a lot of flop in that core. I don't know if you can see that. When I pulled that pin up, it actually pulled the core forward. Strange. Little minute clicks going on. Nothing. Oh, there's a full set. That's a good thing. Now, pin 6. Nothing on 6. Nothing on 5. Nothing really on 4. That's moving the whole core. What a horribly built lock. Seems to be a lot of movement where there shouldn't be any. Nothing. Still hung up in that false set. Whoa, just dropped the tension bar out. It's a little bit loose, this one, but I don't think it would do that. Nothing on 6, nothing on 5, nothing on 4. Surely, I'm up somewhere. Oh, there we go, it's open. That literally felt like I only had to pick probably 3 pins at the back in amongst that core flopping around. Now, let me see if I can show you that core flopping around. I'll just lock that back up. Have a look up in there. Look how much that core moves. I couldn't really feel the counter rotation properly. That's a lot of movement. That's the whole cylinder and body inside. Strange. I've not seen that much movement in one before. Anyway, let's gut it and find out. Okay, get a tray. Bottom. That's never going to work. Why is that so jammed? Get that out. Come on, it's gone. This is inevitable. Just come out. There we go. Drop core. Don't know why there was so much flop. A little bit of grease on it. Alrighty, because I've got the key, turn it a bit, grab a shim, oh bloody hell, take off the circlip first, that generally helps. Let's try this thing. Ooh. Come on. Got it. Alright. Now, back to the gutting. God, this shim is destroyed. I can't wait for my next ones. They're in transit, apparently. But when stuff's in transit, who knows? Okay, that's different. Coloured pins. Almost looks like it came from a locksmith or something. Okay, so I didn't really have to pick too much. That one looks like a zero lift anyway. Couple of little ones at the front, deep one at the back. Alrighty, let's dump some of these out. Pin 1 is a serrated, pin 2 is serrated, pin 3 is serrated, pin 4 is serrated, pin 5 is serrated, and pin 6 I'm gonna just take a stab and say serrated, and it is. I'll just show you those real quick before I bother with the core. So you can get an idea of what was in there. Just some serrated key pins. Nothing major. A couple of little serrations. Alright, now let's try this. So, 1 is standard, 2 is a little tiny spool. That's almost cute, the size of that thing. 3 is a spool, 4 is a spool, 5 is a spool, and whoa, 6 went for a run, but 6 is a spool as well. Dump out these springs. That was a really poor quality lock. I mean, I've picked some weird stuff, but that just had so much movement in the core. I don't know if that's a manufacturer's defect or if it's just the way it was built. If anyone's got any info on these, please leave a comment, because that, I mean, the padlock itself feels quality built, but the core was just horribly placed. Anyway, that's my little rant. So there's the standard in one, spools in the rest, and serrated key pins down the bottom. Strange. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was an interesting pick. But yeah, if you've got any info on these Schlage locks, or if you've had any that it seemed to be very poorly built, leave a comment and we'll have a bit of a chat. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.